Today is Wednesday, the 17th, and after you finish your ThingLink questions, you're going to roll right into this opioid lesson. And it really looks like a lot of steps, but honestly, it's not hard and it will not take you the entire period. So click on Start. Watch this video for the introduction, what opioid addiction is and why we're worried about it. And then the second part is do these steps in order. So you're just going to click on this link, and then you'll see a picture that pops up like this. The room name is this, MCD29. And of course, as always, put your first name, last name to get your credit in here. And you'll click join and answer the 3 questions, true, false questions. But please read the answers if you get it wrong, because I want to make sure that you understand what the correct answer is. Then you're going to watch what is an opioid. And from this video, there are questions right here for you to watch. Now, if this doesn't pop up and you just see like a little error message right there, you could click on this, or all you need to do is open like your Office 365, like your email. And once you've opened it and refresh this page, this will automatically pop up. But you have to be in Office 365 for this to pop up for you. But there are the number 4 question is just a Likert scale, strongly disagree, disagree, agree, or strongly agree, but there are 3 questions under there. So make sure you answer all 3 of them, and then click on Submit. And then go to the next part of your playlist. And Teen Stories of Addiction, you'll use the correct class link to watch each of these 3 real-life stories about addiction. These are all in Edpuzzles, and they have questions that are embedded in the Edpuzzles. You need to watch all of them. They're only like 2 minutes, minute and a half, 2 minutes, so they're not very long. They're not very long, and each of them have a couple questions in there. So make sure that you do each of these. There's 3 videos. Make sure you're in the correct period. And then from that, you'll be able to sort this opioid sorting activity. So click on Answer Assign. You're just deciding whether these are description or each description can fit under heroin only, prescriptions, and opioids, or both prescription opioids and heroin. And you just grab these and place them in the correct boxes. Let's go back to learning. And finally, this is actually just a 3-question quiz. Click on Start, make sure you click Submit, and that's it for this lesson.